Away they go. Flores, Catipunera, La Puria Roa down on the inside. Di San Diego Sadar. Racing on the outside. Diamond Dane. Recent Sun spread my wings. Fierce Fighter is running at the tail of the field. La Furia Roja is now the leader. Alongside is Catipunera. Racing by the Di San Diego alongside Sadar. Racing on the further outside, Diamond Dane, Spread My Wings, racing by the 6-7 position, Flores, 8 Fierce Fighter, and Recent Suns now running at the tail of the field. La Furia Roja by Anek, Catipunera, Di San Diego, Spread My Wings by the alongside is Diamond Dane as they race the final corner. Catipunera, La Furia Roja once again by the rail, and Di San Diego Spread My Wings. It's now Catipunera and by the rail, La Furia Roja. Catipunera, La Furia Roja, Di San Diego Spread My Wings and Fierce Fighter. But Catipunera this time by about 2, and finally Catipunera, La Furia Roja, Di San Diego, Fierce Fighter, Diamond Dane for your Femtafecta.